Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.